Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video to understand this solely to take your decisions. So today we are going to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a live chart. So here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. So here I find that the natural gas futures look ready for an action amid this zone from the levels of $2.255 to $2.395. So here I find that the formation of an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame looks evident enough for the reversal of this uptrend which continued from the last four trading sessions. Here we can see that the current position of all the moving averages in a daily time frame looks evident enough for continuation of an uptrend, but here I find that the natural gas futures facing stiff resistance at the levels of $2.255 and immediate long-term resistance is here. Natural gas futures tested these levels in January 2020, so this level looks evident enough to provide a stiff resistance to natural gas futures now, and the second resistance level will be at the levels of $2.395. Now I find that the announcement of upcoming inventory where we may see an injection of more than 30 billion cubic feet may reverse the whole scenario after the announcement of inventory, because this exhaustive candle may find confirmation after the announcement of inventory, because currently here you can see that the today's move looks evident enough for an upward move. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures maintain above the levels of $2.255, we will see the natural gas futures will try to test the next resistance level, which is at the levels of $2.395. But here I find that there is a thick presence of bears amid this zone where we may see an advent of a sharp steep fall. If the inventory comes on the bearish side, we'll see a sharp reversal in this trend when the natural gas futures may test immediate support at the levels of $1.958. Now let us check this move in a 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that the natural gas futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $2.255, where after a downward move up to the levels of $2.161, the natural gas futures continued this uptrend. So here you can see that this uptrend is intact, but now here you can see that the 20 days moving average is going to cross the 20 days exponential moving average. So here in a 4-hour time frame you can see that this bearish formation can reverse the trend when the natural gas futures may take a sharp reversal from these levels, and the immediate support may be seen at the levels of $2. But if the natural gas futures take a sustainable move below the levels of $2, we will see the natural gas futures to find a strong support at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $1.847. So here I find that the overall situation looks very indecisive in natural gas futures, where I find that there is a thick presence of bears above this level. So now let us see this move in an hourly time frame. So here you can see that in an hourly time frame, the 20 days moving average has already formed a bearish crossover, which has extended the bearish sentiments in natural gas futures. So here you can see that the natural gas futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance between the level of $2.233 to $2.255. So here I find that in an hourly time frame, if the natural gas futures are not able to sustain above the levels of $2.255 up to the announcement of upcoming inventory, we will see the natural gas futures to take a sharp downward move up to the levels of $2.061 at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud. And the next important support levels will be at the levels of $1.946, where the 200 days moving average will provide a strong support to natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.